Hey everyone, stick with us versus herd. If it's your first time here, like content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications from when we post videos, tap the bell. If you want to join our options trading live channel, link is below in the description to subscribe to that. I go live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before market open. And if you want to join our UBH fam, our community, links are below in the description as well to our Discord and our options trading group on Facebook. Both are free right now. S&Ps are down 11, Dow's down 105, NASDAQ down 12. We did gap down a bit here. We came all the way down to 2840 area, bounced back up to 2875, 2877 area, and now we're kind of moving back down a little bit here. So, we have a pretty crazy week. If you think this week is going to be crazy, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if we're going to be green or red this week. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you could do me a favor, hit the like button. Now, before we get into the trades, one of the today is super important because we actually launched the impact report. So if you guys know, for the last 5 months, we have been working on this impact report and the impact report service. What this includes is I pretty much base all my trades off of it. This is part of it here, their earnings calendar here, along with, there's a whole report here that we go over. But, this is something that I've been using pretty much day in, day out. And it's something that we have been working on the back end for close to 5 months. And, you can go to the site, link is below in the description, usversusherd.com/impact-report. You can go check it out. But one of the things that I wanted to pack into here was, for different skill levels, this report I think is going to be great for different skill levels, and also for people that need additional help. I do have options trade ideas and a monthly live Q&A for the Impact Pro version. This is the first day it's available right here, right now. You get to, every week we're going to be putting out a report. You'll be able to download it right here in the section once you sign up. We'll also email you a copy as a PDF to your email weekly, but you can come in here anytime you want and download the report. This is last week's, this is today's. And then on top of that, we're going to be, we're going to have the options trade ideas for the Impact Pro members. You can go in here. This is the first official options trade idea in here, but we're going to be keeping this up to date weekly at a minimum. And through here is, I'm just going to be going through, trades that I see fit, whether they're short-term, mid-term, or longer-term trades. These are just trades that I'll be looking at and the strategies that I'll be implementing to actually trade this position here. So, I think that this is important for people that want to get exposure to different options trading strategies, maybe get some ideas. Maybe it'll start getting you to think about options a little bit differently, and that's where I wanted to create the value there. I just didn't want to put out like a weekly newsletter or something like that. I wanted to create real value. So let me know what you guys think so far. We announced it a few hours ago, and the support has been tremendous, and I just want to thank you guys so much. But if you have any questions, hit me up. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Definitely will answer any of your questions. But now let's get into this week ahead. Enough sales. Not that I'm trying to boost sales or anything, but people were asking me if I could go over it real quick on the video tonight, kind of do a brief overview. I'll do a more in-depth overview later. But right now, a fifth of the S&P 500 companies are reporting this week, including starting tomorrow after market close. IBM, who I'm most interested, is actually going to be Tuesday. Netflix, and I am already shorting Chipotle. People are like, hey, why are you shorting Chipotle? They're probably really busy. Hey, maybe I'm wrong for that, but this is kind of what I'm looking at here. In terms of Netflix. Now Netflix ripped up insane. And it hit 449. It has sold off. I'm seeing what it's going to do tomorrow is going to be important. If it comes back down in line, I might actually look to sell some premium in here for earnings. This week for me, I'm really just going to take it slow, take in the earnings, because earnings are going to be, it's going to be crazy. Like a lot of companies are reporting earnings this week, and the market is also trying to price in let me see if I can pull it up here real quick. The Senate is nearing another deal for the small business loans, because small business loan money also ran out last week, so they're trying to quickly fund so that more small businesses can get loans. So this is going to be an impact. So it's going to be really interesting that with this, that they call it the PPP, Paycheck Protection Program, if it provides more funding, is that going to boost the market, but is it going to be offset by earnings? But we don't know. We just kind of watch and see, and not, for me, I'm probably not going to have too many swing trading positions other than, some earnings plays. I might sell some premium in Netflix. I'm already short Chipotle, and I'm probably looking at trading. I will probably want to go Domino's as well. Probably going to go long Domino's, but let me see real quick here. Yeah, we'll see. I don't love this chart, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated in my videos as we get closer to Thursday. But kind of looking at SPY, what we're looking at here is we did close above the 50-day. So is this going to be pushing 288, 290 area? Last week I was saying that I think that this is going to push the 288, 290 area. We did come pretty close last week. We actually did hit 289 after hours. But I guess it doesn't really count, because during market open, we that day we opened around 285, and then we dropped down to 282 before ramping up to 280. I mean, this is crazy. 282 to 287 is a huge ramp end of day, as you can see here. S&Ps also went from 28.27 all the way up to 28.70 right at close. I mean, it was just crazy. We haven't seen a Friday like that in a long time, where people were buying into the weekend, and now obviously we're a little red right now. So right now my target is I'm looking at if it can hold this 50-day here, or if we're going to be dropping below. So let me get the other stock that I'm looking at here is IBM as well. For IBM earnings, IBM has also been lagging, I would say, in terms of the tech industry. It's kind of chilling here. It's not typically a big mover. IBM right now, it's looking to be moving plus or minus $9. So it's looking for 129 or around 111 down in here. So they're reporting earnings after market close. IV, I'm not loving IV, not over 100%, but not terrible. Definitely way better than Coke. Coke is relatively low, so I'm not looking to sell some premium in there. So I think right now the juiciest to sell premium in obviously is Netflix. However, Netflix, if you're looking at the chart, I mean, it's gonna be a very tough trade. I mean, possibly it's gonna be priced in here. So I'm gonna be looking at where we're at on Tuesday. If it looks like it's holding up in here, earnings could be priced in at this point, and it'll be a lot easier to sell premium. Looking at Snap as well. Snap and all the social media, I'm actually probably going to be short, because of ad revenues are going to be plummeting. So I'm going to look to see what happens to Snap here. I might sell some call spreads or some naked calls above 14 or at 14. Probably not naked, probably some more call spreads. Their IV is relatively high, 187% for this week. So I'm probably looking to sell some call spreads in Snap, because advertising is going to take a tremendous whack. Also with 2020 guidance, it's going to be down. So we'll see what happens. But I'm looking to get short I'm looking to get short pretty much any company relying heavily on advertising, and Snap is that's where they make the money, along with like Facebook, Google, other platforms that rely heavily on advertising. I'm looking to get short on as well. Chipotle, I wouldn't recommend playing or trading Chipotle if you don't know what you're doing, because liquidity is really bad. I personally like trading them, but you pretty much have to trade spreads, and you have to know what the option pricing is. So if you're new to trading, if it's your first day trading, don't trade Chipotle. But I'm looking for this to kind of come back down to the 650, 700 area this week for earnings. I mean, it had a crazy ramp up. I definitely don't think it's earned it restaurants, fast food is going to be down. I think it's going to take a major hit. So I think it's going to come back down around the 700 area after earnings. So we'll see what happens to that. But, what I want to say is you want to be careful this week. Tread lightly. If you have any questions for me, I answer every question. Comment below. If you watch this video to the end, comment watch to the end. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.